remember, Mt. Gox was like the first exchange, first Bitcoin exchange, and it was really just a guy who had created a online trading platform for Magic the Gathering cards. So Mt. Gox is an acronym for Magic the Gathering Online Exchange, and it just became a trading platform for Bitcoin, became the largest one, and then ultimately suffered from massive hot wallet storage theft. So yeah, I mean there's pretty long history in this industry with obviously these sort of cyclic booms and busts, but this one obviously is on a much larger scale, at least in terms of the nominal dollars. So be interesting to see what happens here sort of going forward. But anyway.
Yeah, that one was so even if you separate like Rob does, and maybe he'll spend a minute or two on why he tweeted ETH or Ethereum is a scam. He differentiates between Bitcoin and ETH or all the other coins, and I was citing ETH, but Bitcoin, it depends on where you have it. Like that. My friend's point is that he had his at Mt. Gox, so that's gone. But he has a claim wherever in the process. But this is I mean, how many years ago was that? I mean, it was a long time ago, right?
Yeah, it was a long time ago. It is interesting. I mean, you look at what's happened here with FTX, and among the many sort of revelations, one that's obviously come out is that there were actually no Bitcoin reserves at FTX. They were really just paper Bitcoin IOUs. So in other words, you would buy something, you would buy whatever amount of Bitcoin, you would hold it on the exchange thinking that you had bought it and it was there, being safe kept, and then if you wanted to transfer it, sell it, or transfer it off the platform, basically what FTX would do would be to go into the market and buy whatever amount of Bitcoin you wanted to move, put that in your account and enable you to transfer it. So, I mean, I think Rob's been, pretty vocal and pretty consistent for a long time. And I wouldn't disagree that, ultimately, the safest way, if you want to own Bitcoin, is really to keep it in self-storage with a cold wallet where, you don't run these risks. There's other risks that you take in terms of your own sort of ability to self-custody, but you at least take control over it. You don't leave it in the hands of Sam Bankman-Fried or somebody else.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.